Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I got something a little special today. Got some unboxing, yes. Took her out of the bag. So what we have today is an Amiya figure, and I'm gonna sort of celebrate reaching nearly 2K views on my recent Arknight videos, my best performing videos. So this one's been in my collection for quite a while, so I've been meaning to open it, but just haven't found the time. This is from Rebos. They're a Chinese brand. Bought it, I think, on Ami. So let's get ready and open up. Here's a close up if you guys can see. Okay. Hopefully, let me get my box cutter. We don't want to damage the box too much. Okay, nice and easy. This one was kind of fairly cheap for a figure, but I don't know the scale or the size yet. Right. Ooh, the box is kind of hard to open. Let's take that out of the box. Let me put the box right here. So, once again, Amiya, there's a little window here. You see here, hopefully. So, I believe there should, usually there's tape, but let me see, they do have tape, which is really hard to see. I'll just need to cut that. Okay. On this corner, well, looks like it's on every corner. No, it's three, no, three corners. Surprisingly. No, that's not a corner, it was there. Wait. Oh, it's here. Yep. That should be good. Carefully remove this. Okay. This to the side. Okay. And here's Amiya. Want to be careful. Get this off her hair. The base. So here's a close up. You guys can see. Looks pretty nice. There's a 2 layers to the dress. The paint. Let me see if they have any smears or transfer issue. Paint looks good. Detail, it could be better, but it's a pretty cheap figure. They have, you see, they did paint like her rings and whatnot, so they did go through that, and it looks really nice. Oh, oh, they did pay attention to the details. Let's get this open, the bag for the base. I'm glad they did not go with a really generic plastic base, and they actually gave us a painted one. And it looks like you have to insert her in. There's two holes for probably pegs, and there's like a support probably for her high heels. So I assume let's get okay. Hmm. Let's insert this one first. Insert that one first. And here, don't want to push too hard. And yeah, that's it. Her both her foot are in, and this is how the figure looks, guys. Final product. I'm pretty happy, and then it's gonna go on my shelf. Ooh, is she kind of leaning? Hmm. No, that's not. She's not leaning. It's just her foot is angled weird that it caused me to think she was. Hmm. Maybe she is leaning a bit. Huh. Uh. Yeah, she is leaning out slightly a bit. Maybe the quality control was not the best. Or maybe. Oh no. Let's see. Is she leaning? Can't really tell. I think she is leaning. There. Okay. Maybe I should. You don't want to break it, but she is slightly. She's leaning from. No, I think it's just the angle that makes. Okay, she's not leaning that much. Yeah. Uh, be be sure to tune in. I will be doing several. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. They forgot to mention. Base actually is texture. This is it feels like linoleum. This is like matte. So they did have a pretty decent base. So like I was saying, tune in for more content. Thanks for supporting me, guys. I will probably do some more unboxing videos. I do have to go through a lot of stuff in my collection. So be sure to tune in again.